Would you be terrified if I told you that the gentle, warm sunlight hitting your face when you look out the window in the morning will one day become the ultimate weapon that completely melts the Earth into a puddle of liquid rock? In the previous video, we broke down the physics of rockets and the escape velocity needed to leave Earth. Even if humanity perfectly colonizes Mars or other galaxies, our original home and our entire solar system have a hard expiration date, determined entirely by the life cycle of our sun. How does a star maintain its perfect spherical shape without exploding or collapsing? It is completely based on the most violent physical tug-of-war in nature, a scientific state called hydrostatic equilibrium. The immense mass of the sun creates a crushing gravitational force pulling everything inward. This extreme pressure heats the sun's core to over 15 million degrees Celsius. At this unimaginable temperature, hydrogen atoms are violently smashed together to form helium. This process is called nuclear fusion. The endless trillions of nuclear explosions push massive amounts of energy outward. When the inward crush of gravity perfectly matches the outward push of nuclear fusion, the star remains perfectly stable. But in exactly 5 billion years, the sun's core will permanently run out of its hydrogen fuel. The outward pushing explosions will stop, and gravity will finally win the tug-of-war. The core will violently collapse inward under its own weight. This extreme inward collapse generates so much heat that a fresh layer of unburned hydrogen just outside the core suddenly ignites. This new, uncontrolled explosion pushes the outer layers of the sun outward at terrifying speeds, causing the star to expand millions of miles, transforming into a massive red giant. As this dying, expanding star grows, it will physically swallow Mercury and Venus. As the sun's surface approaches Earth, our oceans will completely boil away into space, our atmosphere will be stripped off, and the physical rock of the Earth's crust will melt into liquid magma. Ultimately, our beautiful blue planet will be physically swallowed whole and vaporized entirely inside the fiery belly of the dying sun. In the next video, we will talk about the glowing dead core the sun leaves behind, a white dwarf, and the ultimate terrifying end of the entire universe, a scientific process called the heat death, where every single star burns out, absolute zero takes over, and even time itself permanently stops.